As industries demand increasingly exceptional material performance, manufacturers are also requiring smarter, more sustainable materials. Introducing Tecnoflon FFKM NFS, the market-first, non-fluorosurfactant perfluoroelastomers. A groundbreaking range of advanced perfluoroelastomers featuring unmatched performance. Engineered for semiconductor manufacturing and other highly demanding markets such as aerospace, energy, and industrial applications, they deliver exceptional chemical and thermal resistance, with unmatched contamination-free sealing to enhance environmental responsibility without compromising performance. Now available in nitrile curable grades for dry and plasma applications, peroxide curable grades for general purpose and wet process applications, and high-temperature grades, reliably operating above 300 degrees Celsius. Partner with Syensqo to power the performance of tomorrow's essential material solutions that deliver today and far into the future. Tecnoflon FFKM NFS, meeting the market's call for performance and sustainability